Hello and welcome to my channel Cocina de Conchis. Thank you for watching this video. Today we are going to make authentic Mexican rice. The ingredients we need are 2 Roma tomatoes, half of a medium onion, 2 medium garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor bouillon, 2 squares of consomate, 2 cups of jasmine rice, half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 4 cups of water. You can find the squares of consomate as well as the chicken flavor bouillon at any Mexican store or Walmart. Also, there are all different kinds of brands of rice out there, but I like to use Jasmin. The first thing we're going to do is blend everything together. We're going to add the half piece of onion, the 2 tomatoes, 2 squares of consomate, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 medium garlic cloves, and the 4 cups of water. And now we are going to blend everything together. We are now ready to fry our rice. I'm going to add a half a cup of oil. You can add a little less if you want, but I like it this way because it fries the rice evenly and we won't burn it this way. Our oil is ready, so now we can add the 2 cups of rice. Now what we need to do is stir fry our rice until it reaches a golden brown color. Stir the rice like every 3 seconds. The darker color gives it a better taste. Don't burn it though. Do not leave the rice alone at any time. It will burn in seconds. Don't have the flame too high either. My rice is golden brown already. Now I'm going to turn the flames all the way down or off so we can add our blended ingredients. If we don't turn the flame down, the stove could catch on fire when we add our blended ingredients. This can be very dangerous. Please be careful. Now we can carefully add the blended ingredients. Now we can turn the flame back up a little bit and let the rice cook. We also need to be stirring it once in a while so it doesn't stick to the pan. Now what we are waiting for is for the water to evaporate completely. When it boils for a little bit, you can taste it and add more salt if needed. But it really shouldn't unless you are really salty. There are so many ways to make Mexican rice, but this is my ultimate favorite recipe. A lot of people like to add peas, corn, green beans, or other vegetables to the rice. This is where you can add it. I don't like vegetables in my rice, so I don't add any. Our rice is almost ready. The water has almost evaporated completely. We are going to stir it and wait a little bit longer. At this point, you can take the spoon and look to see if the water has all evaporated. If you don't see any more water at the bottom, turn the stove off or it will start to stick and burn. Cover the rice with a lid. Well, it's been 5 minutes. We are going to take the lid off and stir it a little bit with our spoon so you can see it cooked so nicely. And there you have it, authentic Mexican rice. Please subscribe to my channel, Cocina de Conchis, if you haven't done so already, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much and see you next time.